Good day everyone, still on the Yoruba alphabet. In the last class, we looked at 5 of them. They are A, B, D, A, E. Now we shall continue. Fi, Gi, Bi, Chi, I, Ji, Ki. Let's start again. Fi, Gi, Bi, Chi, I, Ji, Ki. Now, let's look at Yoruba words that start with each of these alphabets. Fi, fìlà, cap. Funfun, white. Gi, gògóńgò, vocal cord. Gíláàsì, glass. Gbí, gbòǹgbò, root. Gbágùdá, cassava. Hí, hílàhílo, pandemonium. I want us to understand that this particular alphabet, Hi, is pronounced at the vocal cord here. Hi, hílàhílo, pandemonium. Híhó, peeling. I, ìwé, book. Iṣu, yam. Jí, jàgùdà, armed robber. Jagunjagun, warrior. Kí, kìnìún, lion. Kíláàsì, class. This is where we are going to stop for today. Before the next class, I want you equally to try and write some Yoruba words that start with the alphabet we learned today in the comment section. I remain yours sincerely, Ademola Amuda, your host.